Hi guys, so in today's video, I will be teaching you how to delete your Twilio account. So let's get started. First, we have our signed in Twilio account in here, and in the upper right hand corner, all we need to do is to click on the account drop down. In here, let's click on general settings. All right. Now, once we are routed to the page, we can see below close. So let's click on that one. Okay. Now, once we close the account, there will be an acknowledgement form first. So you go through it before ticking all the boxes. Okay. Of course, we need to ensure that everything is going to be well before closing the account. Now let's tick on all the boxes and close the account. There you have it. Your Twilio account has been successfully closed. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.